trim these though, are you?
Oh, you can. Got to be able to control them.
Better. Can you see that little tiny thing?
Yeah, I just need to have an idea of where you're going.
I just push buttons and stuff. Go away. Try to get it nose into the wind, get a little more trimmed down. Okay, well, I'm just going to kind of go palm around here a little bit. A couple of circles, a little big figure 80, some sort. I think I've got it way out of too far out of trim, or the wind is getting it. It must be the wind.
Yeah.
Gotta really change the power to go out and back. Nose in hover. I wish I could get into manual mode because then I could do tricks. I'm going to go down here and back again. I'm going to go past this probably and make a turn. Sounds brutal.
It is, I completely lost it there.
I get a little bit of that wind and it just stops. I'm going to try to do the leggy kicky. No promises, but you ready?
Yep.
I don't know what's going to happen. Oh. Wind caught it, but it worked.
That was pretty badass, I have to admit.
Did you get it all? Try to do another one. See if I can get it over here and land it on my foot. Almost. I know why the bound on this radio, the throws aren't as high as I'd like them yet. That's probably part of the problem. Go fly out the bacon sack. See it?
Yep.